Well, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your lock screen passcode if you forgot it on your Xiaomi phone. So you might be entering this in and you just completely forgot it. Well, you can still factory reset your phone and this will remove the lock screen. So if we hold down the power button here, it's going to turn off our phone after about 10 seconds. Then when the phone turns off, just hold down the volume up button. And just continue to hold this down until that logo goes away. And when it goes away, we can let go and we'll be in the recovery screen now. Alright, now we can use the volume key up and down. And we can go on over to wipe data right here and just select it with the power key. And it says back to main menu, or we can go down to wipe all data right here. So just go to wipe all data and that will remove the lock screen password. And then you can log back in with your Google account. This will remove all the data from your phone, however, so if you have anything on your phone you want to keep, well, you're probably going to be losing it. But you'll be able to use your phone again. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.